Now, you might be wondering if Wealthy Affiliate is some sort of done for you system where you can just spend the money and, 90% of the work is already done for you and you just have to sit back and make the money, just collect the profits, right? Because there are a lot of people like promoting courses and products like that where everything's done and you just have to like copy paste a couple of links and it's automatically going to make you money. But we all know by this point that those types of products are usually scams. They don't work. You can't expect to be successful as an entrepreneur if you're only bringing in 10% of the effort, right? That's just not how it works. With Wealthy Affiliate, they actually teach you how to start your own business from scratch. You can get started with their free plan and then upgrade to premium once you decide that this is for you, where you get all the tools, all the software, everything you could possibly need. And all you have to do is stay consistent and put in the work, and you'll start seeing your business growing over time. So, no, Wealthy Affiliate is not a done for you system. Those types of courses and programs are a huge red flag in my opinion, and Wealthy Affiliate is really teaching you fundamental, really core skills of how to create, how to find some sort of niche, and then how to create a website, how to drive traffic to that website, and then how to turn that traffic into cash. So you can use the skills that you learn in Wealthy Affiliate to be successful with literally any business, because every business requires eyeballs, people knowing about your business, and every business requires being able to monetize attention. So if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, then you can use the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now you might be wondering if there's anything else you need to know before you join Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm going to tell you all about that. Just click this video showing up on your screen.